Hey, what's up, maggots? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here the Comet Industries or the Red Comet blah blah company. This is the Sinanju Master Grade 1100, of course, and the Garage Kit version from that company. So I'm not a fan of Sinanju, to be honest, but after I took my hands on this shit in front of us, I became the fan of the design of this Sinanju kit. So this is a very tall kit, very elegant. What I liked with this kit is the plastic quality is strong enough compared with the band, the bullshit the band, and the gold accents here are all color separated, which is very impressive compared with the Bandai where they only use fucking stickers. And yeah, so there we can see the gold Xeon crest there, these leaves. It's very impressive. Every parts on this is just take the time appreciating the detail of this kit, because this is what is made for. So there, this black coats there really fits the gold underneath gold accents or plastic parts, which is very impressive. I just didn't put the silver hose, those metal silver hose, because fuck that manufacturer. There are loose parts, loose counts on those pieces there, so it doesn't add up. So they are, this one is complete, this one is incomplete. So I just decided to remove all because it doesn't count up. Okay, so there we go. This is a very tall kit, very they call this detailed. The detail is different compared with the Bandai, of course, since this is resin, or at first became a resin, then garage kit. I don't know about the history of the manufacturer, but anyway, they did a good job on doing this kit. So there, let's compare it with the Sasabi from Bandai. And how tall is this model here? So we got here the Sasabi Verka. Still, Sasabi Verka is taller than the Sinanju. Then let's compare it with this Daban Master Grade Jagdoga. So Jagdoga is somehow a bit shorter than the Sinanju Red Comet or Comet Industry. Let's compare it with my most favorite bootleg here, the Solomon Faisalis. So Solomon Faisalis here is shorter than this Sinanju. And finally, let's compare it with one of the kit that I always say looks like a Sinanju, the Kainar Norma. So Kainar Norma here is shorter than the Sinanju. And let's compare it with the Sinanju Stein itself. So there we go, from Daban. So Daban Sinanju Stein is shorter than the Red Comet Sinanju. Okay, so now let's go with the articulation of this kit. So let's just remove first the weapons. So here, if we go the Sinanju without the armaments, so there we got this very nice head sculpt here. The head can rotate into this manner because there's this sleeve blocking some of the head mechanism or structure, so it can only look or rotate its head like this. Can look up, look down. For the shoulder, can rotate 360 degrees. Okay, just like that. And the armor, shoulder armor, is a bit spiky, so there it can raise up like that. And also the arms can raise up to this far. And for the elbows, it can bend 180 degrees like that. You can also rotate its bicep here 360 degrees like that. And here underneath the forearm, you can move it up or move it like this to reveal the slot for beam saber. But actually I didn't know where I put the beam saber. I lost it, I think. So there we go. We can also rotate that to reveal the beam saber. Okay. Then for the waist, you can rotate somehow. You can rotate like this. Okay, it's a bit tight at first, but just be careful. And since this is a really back heavy kit, let's check the booster first. So I want to remove first the booster. Oops, it's a bit stuck. I don't know, it's been stuck. Anyway, you can open like this. You can move. You can move sideways. You can also move up, down like that. Okay. And this propellant tank here is connected in ball joint, can move just like that. Okay, so for the front skirt can raise up like this. Side skirt can raise a bit like that, not so much. And for the back skirt, can raise somehow like this to this far. Okay, for the legs, you can kick forward up to this far. Here, you can kick backward up to that far, but there's this structure hampering the movement. Okay, so the knees can bend up to this far, double jointed bend, and you can see the armor separation there. I really appreciate that. Okay. And for those parts here, we got this gold accents for the verniers. Then here on the side of the legs, the side boosters or thrusters can move as well. Can also move the foot armor. Then the feet can move side to side like that. Can do some plantar extend and toe extend like that, toe flex and plantar flex like that. Okay, very nice. And let's go with the weaponries of this kit. So we got here, aside from the blades, we got rifles and the shield. So there we go. We got the rifle, beam rifle, and we got the bazooka. So this one can literally combine. So if you're going to put it like this, remove this part here, which is actually I forgot the sequence already. Anyway, you can combine it like this, and there, lock this in place, and there we go. We got this very nice bazooka gun like this, bazooka beam rifle combined. And this one can be placed here. You can combine it here, but I forgot the sequence already. Anyway, there we go. You can put it there. So this is the combined gun. Then we got here the shield. So the shield is really nice. I just place the beam effect parts here, okay, on the axe. So this is the normal shield without those beam effect parts. They're very nice. And we got here axe. So the axe can remove it for you, for the Sinanju to hold. Then it can also adjust the tomahawk. And let's try applying it again. There we go. So we got this very nice beam tomahawk. It also has the long one there, so beam tomahawk sword like that, but I don't have the blade effect with me, so I think I throw it away, something. Then we got this grenade launcher or bazooka here underneath the shield. You can also combine this with the rifle, but for me I don't like it to combine it with the rifle. I like it to be in the shield because it can be an additional weapon to the shield, something like that. Okay, so this kit is really nice. It's very cheap here in the Philippines. I only bought it around 2,000 pesos if I'm not mistaken. So it's a cheap alternative instead buying those 3,000 pesos plus or 4,000 pesos plus Bandai model kit. Why not try this very cheap bootleg for your Sinanju addiction? So there we go. This is a nice kit. Honestly, I didn't encounter any fitting issues. It feels like I'm just building a Bandai model kit as well. No pegs that doesn't fit with the socket, something like that. And I didn't made some sanding on those joints. Everything fits well. I didn't put super glues. Just replaced the hands with the Dallin decal hands in my preference. So there, this is a very must buy kit. So thank you so much. See you next time. Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Goodbye, maggots. Oh, I forgot, the booster also has this very fascinating mechanism. Okay, so the booster here can open like this, and then I can see this verniers extend forward, and here we got those vents. The vents can also move like that. Okay, very cool. The vents are in the silver color or chrome plated like that. Then if you want to return it back, you just close it, and the vents or the verniers will retrieve back inside. Okay, so that's it. Goodbye.
中国のおもちゃの品質は日本のブランドを上回っています。